Hi everyone, how is everything going? We are greeting from the world-class intelligent manufacturing basis of Shangping Home Collection in Foshan. And this is the real-time situation of the production line. Today we have a true professional to guide our factory tour. Let's welcome the factory manager, Mr. Dai. Let's say hello to the camera.
How's it going, everyone?
It's our pleasure to have a true professional like you to guide us here. I believe our dear customers are curious about how we combined customization and mass production together. What is happening within each and every step of the process before we ship them to all our customers around the country?
No worries. So, as we know, the process of producing panel furniture including 7 steps. So we start with bore cutting, edge bending, move on to hole drilling, then cleaning, quality checking, categorizing, and also end up with packaging. So we're currently in the raw material warehouse, as you can see. This is a place that's very important because raw material supply chain for the whole process are relying on here. This is where everything started, basically. And there is actually something interesting here. So you can see there's no human workers. Just a robotic arm that keeps on working, non-stop whatsoever.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, this is because we perfectly apply our information technology to our advanced equipment. So by sending instructions through the central system, things which used to require massive labor force will be replaced by machine now.
So the robotic arm takes the duty now.
Yeah.
It is grabbing the panels now.
It is.
These jobs used to be done by human workers, right?
Yeah, exactly. I used to require over 20 workers to get all the jobs done.
Wow, more than 20?
Yeah. So compared to human workers, this robotic arm can do things more accurately, and also it can just, keep on working whatsoever. For example, 24 hours non-stop, which is actually impossible, workload for humans. But I mean, still, it's the combination of system and equipment, turning all these fairy tales into reality.
Our core systems fully self-developed.
Yeah, 100%.
What a technological-based enterprise.
So, shall we move on to the bore cutting now?
Yes, please. Let's move on.
So this is the place where bore cutting gets done. So basically, it's turning raw materials into the size and shape based on the requirement. Our electrical saw is HOMAG from German. It's built in with our own intelligence system. So it used to be like humans, take charge and machines be our assistants, but now it's vice versa, the other way around.
Really?
Yeah, so you see the screen that's, allocated in every operating deck is showing tons of information to our workers, which actually lead them to high efficiency and also, lower the chance of human error while, operating.
Got it. So this is the edge bending area, right?
Yeah, you got it. So this is the place where, edge bending applies to all panels. Still, we are using the equipment from HOMAG. The system of all these machines are connected on the cloud, which allows a fully automatic manufacturing. So as we know, edge bending is very important for our products' look, safety, and, so much more. Overall, it's a very crucial step within the whole manufacturing process of our panel furniture.
Customers are always curious about whether our furniture is environmentally friendly or not. In fact, this is relying on 2 factors, which is choosing good source of raw materials and applying good edge bending technology. Am I right?
Yeah, correct. You got it right. So I think it's all about materials and edge bending technique, like you mentioned. We choose our raw materials under the highest standard, which is the E0. So at the meantime, we use banding strips from the Rehau and glue from Joe Watt. So both of these are made in German and well recognized globally. Yeah, of course, as well as the equipment from home, and like I mentioned before. So a combination of high quality materials and advanced edge bending technique.
No wonder.
I mean, there's no doubt our product, be promising. So let's talk about the QR code. Every piece of panel has their own unique code. It's just like our own identification.
Wow, that's cool.
Yeah, so the QR code contains all the information about this panel, including its batch number, client information, packaging, and edge bending information, and so on. By scanning the QR code, all this information saved in the central system can, be easily checked.
So basically, this QR code contains tons of data.
Yeah.
Manufacturing equipment will allocate the panel to where it should be by scanning the QR code.
Yeah, you got it.
Excuse me, can I have you for a moment, please?
Yes, no problem.
Thanks. How long have you been working here?
Around 5 years already.
Wow, you must be very experienced. How long was the training process before you start working here?
It took 6 to 7 days,
Only
I think.
6 to 7 days? Wow, that's amazing.
Yeah, because of the upgrade of our machine, I just need to double check after the manufacturing process.
So your job is more on check-in side since the manufacturing is automatic.
Yeah.
But I think even though the automatic producing takes place, manually checking our product is guaranteed the quality is still very important. Thank you so much for your time. So I believe this is the whole drilling process, right?
Yes, it is. This is the whole drilling area. We use the whole drilling equipment from German's Homag as well. It's very efficient because it's a non-stop one. And as you can see, it just keeps on moving. So it also guarantees the drilling accuracy, which is very important. With the support of the intelligent system, all the products will be well allocated to different equipment. And the machine will read the data to apply the producing process. There will be no human error because there will be no human interrupted throughout the way at all.
After manufacturing, I believe this is the cleaning process.
Yes.
Let's take a close look at the result to see if it is well cleaned. Wow, check this out. It is actually very cleaned. The cleaning process has been perfectly applied.
The purpose of this cleaning process is to ensure every pieces of the panel is nice and tidy and it looks perfect when our customer receives them in the future.
No doubt, making sure everything is beautiful will enhance customers' experience for sure. This must be the quality check-in stage.
Yes, it is.
I believe customers want to know, how do we actually check our product?
So basically, appearance, size, and hole accuracy.
Oh, that's 3 major things. Let's take this one for example. Appearance, size, and for last but not least, hole accuracy.
Yes. Because the products are customized and every panel must be perfect. So there will be no error while installation.
That's the attitude here. Now we move on to the categorizing process for the products.
Yes, so as we can see, we are allocating every individual pieces into different package. So we categorize them before we storage them into our warehouse. So we make sure there will be no missing pieces when our customer receives them.
So by doing this, we make sure every panel is there when installing the furniture, preventing things from missing. So now we are in the packaging stage within the process already.
Yes, because all of our products are customized. So they're usually very unique in terms of size. So therefore, our packaging box are also customized. This gives our product a fully protection and minimize the chance of damaging.
So we use our package to protect our product to make sure could in perfect shade when they arrive to customer's house. I guess this must be the last step of the process, which is warehousing finished products.
Yeah, we will need to stock them into our warehouse after manufactured, so before we ship them, actually to our customers safely.
This means we are protecting these panels for our dear customers by doing whatever we can.